Hello friends, welcome to Node.js tutorial. My name is Jagdish. Today in this video we learn basics of asynchronous. Firstly, we will see difference between synchronous and asynchronous. In synchronous, it perform one task at a time, and in asynchronous, it perform all tasks at a time. For example, I am right here console.log hello, and here I am right console.log Pune. And here I'm write set timeout function, and inside this function I'm write console.log world, and here I'm write 2 second. Save this and run application node index.js. Firstly execute first function hello. After that second statement takes 2 2 seconds for executing. That's why here execute third statement Pune, and after 2 seconds execute second statement world. These are the basics of asynchronous. Like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.